Here we got a 1969 Camaro Z28. Tell it's a 69 because, well, first off, it don't have the 67 had the vent windows, and it's got a little more to pronounced body line on the 69. Cowl injection, which means the air gets in the front, exhaust out there. Should be, I guess Z28 means it's got the 302 in it, right? And if it does have this, well, I can tell you if it does or doesn't have the 302, I don't know. I think that's what it means, though. But I noticed 302, the history behind it, was really not something developed by the factory per se, developed by the racers. They used to take the 283 motors and bore them out. I think it was 120 thousandths, like almost an eighth of an inch. They had so much meat on the cylinder walls they could bore them out that much, and it was a 301. And it was a screamer. In other words, you can really get up there in high RPMs because it was a square bore and stroke measurements. So the 302 is basically taken from the bored out 283, 120 thousandths over to make a 301. Basically Ford came up with the same thing too. It's like the dimensions of the ratio of the bore to the stroke allows it to rev real high. That's where they made all the horsepower. So pretty much nothing from the factory hasn't been really developed from the racers. Yeah, it might be different today though. All this computer stuff.